In this tutorial, you'll learn step-by-step how to add a subdomain to your Wix website. Start by clicking the Get Started button to begin setting up a new domain for your site. Next, open the Quick Actions menu and click on the Explore tab to view additional site features and settings. When you're in the Explore section, select the AI Agents menu option. Then enter your preferred domain in the input field to specify the address you want to use. Now, click the Settings icon and choose Domains to manage your website's domain options and start setting up a new one. In the Domains section, enter your chosen domain name in the input field and select the desired domain extension to complete your domain address. If you need to make changes or re-enter information, use the Back button to return. Then add the new subdomain in the prompt and type your full subdomain to proceed. Now, navigate back if necessary and select a different domain extension, such as .ai for your subdomain setup. Finally, click Upgrade and Save to enable premium features, then press Continue to finish adding your subdomain to Wix. You've successfully learned how to add a subdomain on Wix. See you next time!